Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate stickers and how you can change the color of the stickers as well. It doesn't work like quite for like all of the stickers because it mostly works for the black and white one, but it is kind of possible, but you won't get like the exact like color that you want. So for instance, you have this like ghost sticker. You want to animate it, you can go to animation and select the animation that you want. There's an in, there's an out, and there is a loop one as well. But since this already has an animation, I'm not going to add it. Then you're just going to go to media and you're going to select the color that you want. I'm just going to choose like this holographic color scheme. You can also like choose a blank canvas for this one. Like they have like other colors as well. Then you're just going to go to blend mode and you're going to select the blend mode that suits the sticker the best, I guess. So the multiply one is great, and also the linear burn one works out as well, as you can see. And once you're done with it, you can just like select everything and create compound clip, and then that's it. You can like I think add it like on top of another video and it won't get affected. Oh, it does, so you might want to like adjust it again here. Okay, maybe you can't really like put it on top of like another video, but like it does work, as you can see. Oops, like that, but it's not very like practical, I would say. But yeah, that is it. You can again like use it for other stickers. It's like it goes like nice on like a lot of the outline stickers, like the line ones, which I'm trying to find. Can't really find it. I think it's under doodle or not. I don't know where it is. Okay, maybe like this one. See like how pretty that looks. Okay, but yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.